Let us start making the new cap. I'm going to use loops and threads, yarn, which is a mix of superwash merino and acrylic. It's called the Lux Merino Wool Blend. I'm going to use a 4 mm hook to make this one. So let us start making a magic circle and start doing chain 3. Now I'm going to do it with a half double crochet, right? So we are going to make chain 2, then we are going to make 11 more half double crochet. Half double crochet is yarn over hook. Inside the hook, grab the yarn, bring it up, then yarn over hook. You have 3 loops on the hook, right? So you go through all the 3 loops on the hook. I explained this using in a shorts before. I will link that to this video too. 1 2 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So we are going to tighten it a little bit, then we go and slip stitch to the top of the chain 2. That is the first round of our hat. Now we are going to make again chain 2 and make 1 more half double crochet in the same space, same stitch. We are going to make 2 half double crochet in each of the stitches. Now the second row is completed. I'm going to join it with the slip stitch, but instead of finishing, I'm going to take the next color and finish the slip knot with that one. I can tighten this one. Now again chain 2, that is first double crochet, half double crochet, then 1 half double crochet in the same stitch, then in the next one I'm going to make I'm going to keep this yarn inside, 1 half double crochet in the next stitch. So 2 half double crochet in the next stitch, that's an increase, then 1 in the next one. Repeat this process. You will have 36 half double crochet in this round. Now I made a 36 half double crochet. Now I'm going to slip stitch to the top of the chain 2. I'm going to use the same color for the next row as well. So I'm going to, this is also an increasing row, so 2 half double crochet in the same stitch, then 1 half double crochet each into the next 2 stitches. At the end of this row you will have 48 half double crochet. Two double crochet in the next one, then the 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, 1 in the next stitch, and repeat this. Now I made a 48 half double crochet. I'm going to cut this yarn, and then I'm going to attach the new yarn and finish the slip stitch with that one to finish the row. Then again This is an increasing row, so we made a 2 half double crochet in the same stitch, then 1 half double crochet each into the next 3 stitches. Two half double crochet in one stitch, then 1 half double crochet in the next one, second one another half double crochet, and the third one another half double crochet. Then we make it 2 half double crochet in the next one. Repeat in this manner. That is a 2 half double crochet in one stitch, then make a 1 half double crochet in the next 3 stitches. So we have 5 half double crochet in 5 stitches in the previous row. At the end of this row we will have 60 half double crochet. This is our 6th row. We are going to do 2 double crochets into the same stitch, then not double crochet, half double crochet into the same stitch, then we are going to make a 1 half double crochet into the next into each of the next 4 half double crochets. 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stitches within 5 stitches from the previous row. At the end of this row we will have our 72 half double crochets. Now we finished that round and 72 half double crochet. Cut this gray yarn. We are continuing with the black yarn, chain 2, then make 2 more half double crochet into the same stitch, then we are going to skip 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and on the 4th one we are going to make chain 1. I forgot, chain 1, then skip 1, 2, 3, and the 4th stitch we are going to make 3 half double crochet, 1, 2, 3, then chain 1, skip 1, 2, 3, and on the 4th one we make a 3 half double crochet. Repeat this one till we reach here. Now we finished the last 3 double crochet cluster and we join to the top of the chain 2. Now we want to move to the chain 1 space here, so I'm going to slip stitch on top of each of those half double crochet. There is a yarn tail here which I can so I'm going to one more slip stitch into the chain 1 space, then chain 2, then instead of making a half double crochet just like that, I'm going to yarn over hook, go to the 1 row below and use that one to make a half double crochet. So what I do is, like we have 3 stitches we skipped, I'm going to go to the middle stitch and make a stitch over there. So yarn over hook, go into that space, that stitch 1 row below, that's the middle half double crochet of the skipped 3, then bring it up so I have enough height, then I'm going to complete that half double crochet. Then you wiggle a little bit to see the space, just a regular half double crochet into the chain 1 space again. Then chain 1 we are going to make a 1 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet into the row below, then 1 regular half double crochet. All that was done into that chain 1 space. You are going into that second half double crochet. So 1, 2 and 3. This is 1 and this is 2. And chain 1. And change the yarn color after 2 rows. So this is the second row of black, so we will finish this row and change the color and attach the yarn to one of the chain 1 spaces. I finished that row and I am going to slip stitch the top of the chain 2. Now we can cut the yarn. I am going to attach the next color to one of the chain 2 spaces. Chain 2, 1, 2, 3, right? We are going into the middle one, make an extended half double crochet, then a regular half double crochet, chain 1. Now this heart is finished. Gives that a zigzag pattern. If you want to make it in a double crochet the same way, and there is a video I already did and I will put a link to that. This will give I think it is beautiful as it is. If you want, you can make a row of single crochet can be done on the edging. Since we start with this and end with this, it is finished for me. See you next time with another pattern. Till then, bye bye.